This 2026 Freedom Trailers Elite Series 7x14 enclosed motorcycle trailer is a premium heavy-duty unit designed for secure and professional motorcycle transport. With its V-nose front design and black exterior finish, it delivers both durability and a modern, aggressive appearance suitable for personal or commercial use. Built on a heavy-duty 6" I-beam main frame with a tube tongue, this trailer is engineered for strength and long-lasting performance. It comes equipped with dual 3,500 pounds Dexter spring axles featuring electric brakes, EZ lube hubs, and integrated safety systems to ensure smooth and controlled towing in all conditions. Inside, the trailer offers a well-structured cargo space with 16 inches on center framing throughout the walls, floor, and roof for added stability. It includes a strong plywood floor and walls along with a 6 feet interior height, providing practical space for loading and working with motorcycles and equipment. The rear spring-assisted ramp door and 32 inches side entry door make loading and access simple and efficient. This model also includes upgraded features such as LED lighting, a 7-way RV electrical harness, ATP stone guard, modular wheels, and a thermally lined roof system. Additional available upgrades like electrical packages, E-track installation, AC prep, cabinets, awning, and call us for more information.